hadian bau hybrid Pynshngaiñ kurba khat saus nam kartau la job ya Takma nong nak jinga kop king ling ka tip kum ka kano men salom nak lumpung national games sa Uttarakhand Menteri rangba ka jelau konrad ke sang ma oleh kran bertu hybrid pat kino hikai jong u ling ba ka video call Menteri rangba oleh Kular ban ai kam Sorkar yau hybrid Pynshngaiñ ringkat ka jing ai khuble yau Yan Vincent uno hikai bat ka Sheila Vincent ka badai ka team manager Hadian kejengnya keren baru Menteri rangba baru hybrid Pynshngaiñ la yo jing tip bo Indra Sharma ula job sia ka Takma na ka canoeing bat drawing kata Takma rupa na ka men cano salom Shushu la yo khuboru baka Kiran Devi bat ka H Anandi kila Khur Takma nong na ka women's double scull competition ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ka ai khuble yaki nigi noi lek kai kumjo eki noi kai bat team manager kata yo Yan Vincent Sheila bat Dr. Aibu kibra trai khlam thaj ban bu eka jalla ha ka map jong sports kari India
I take this opportunity first of all to congratulate our young hero Pynshngaiñ Kurba for winning the bronze medal in the national games. So really you have made all of us really proud. We are very happy and very proud of you and it is a result of all the hard work that you have put in. So really we are very very proud of you and I want to congratulate you on behalf of the people of our state and of course I also would like to congratulate Sheila and Vincent. Ian and Sheila for all the work that you have put in the last many years. I've been to your place. We have sat down a couple of times. I've seen the kind of work that you've been doing and really this is I'm sure the most proud and satisfying moment for you. I'm sure many more to come but this is a beginning. So I congratulate Ian and Sheila and the entire team that has really worked very hard to make this happen. I want to tell you that when you come back here, we'll be working towards getting a government job for you so that you have security and in the future because you have done us all proud and you deserve it and you will also be an example to other young kids who will also strive to get a medal at the national games, Asian games or the Olympics. So just wanted to share. So when you come back, we'll get the paperwork done and we'll get you a government job from the government. That's part of our sports policy which we had passed and you will be the first person to get the benefit of that policy. Thank you. So enjoy and wish the rest of the team also the very best. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Bye.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jingmentoy ba kongsan. Kakot kakia. Kan nutrition bakam bhag kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya